Amazon haircare products that I'm definitely gonna repurchase in 2024. Hello everyone, it's me Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you know from the video title already, I am going to share with all of you certain Amazon haircare finds that I absolutely swear by and that I'm absolutely gonna repurchase in this new year. ये सारे products मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful रहे हैं and it has helped me achieve smooth and shiny hair like this, and all of it is also really affordable. So I'm really excited to share with all of you what I have as a part of my repurchase list. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I have as a part of my repurchase list is this wooden comb that I got for just 385 rupees from Amazon, and I absolutely love this one. Wooden comb ho ya brush ho ya jo bhi ho, wood is an amazing material to swear by when it comes to your hair, because wood helps you strengthen your hair follicles, which ultimately leads to shinier, stronger and healthier hair. This also helps eliminate a lot of frizz और ये tangles भी brush off करने में बहुत help करता है, and I absolutely love this one. So if you too are looking for a good hair brush that is healthy for your hair, that helps you eliminate frizz, brush off your tangles easily, that is affordable and compact like this one, you need to check this one out. I'm sure you'll love it. मुझे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Next up, I have got these microfiber towels from Amazon. I actually got two of these for 250 or something, which I think is a great deal. और जब हेयर केयर की बात करते हैं ना, आई फील लाइक इफ़ यू वांट स्मूदर हेयर यू शुड डेफिनेटली डिच योर रेगुलर टावल्स एंड गो फॉर माइक्रोफाइबर टावल्स इंस्टेड, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट होते हैं एंड इट्स अ लॉट मोर जेंटल ऑन योर हेयर. सो इफ़ यू हैव फ्रिजी हेयर, आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली लेट गो ऑफ योर ओल्ड टावल्स एंड गेट a pair of these immediately, because मैंने जब से माइक्रोफाइबर टावल्स यूज़ करना शुरू किया है, मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज देखा है मेरे हेयर में एंड लाइक द ओवरऑल हेल्थ एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन, एंड you get two of these on Amazon. You get like combos and stuff, and you can choose the colors as well. So I really love that, and yeah, do check it out. The next thing that I have as a part of my repurchase list is the TRESemmè Bondplex repair range. I absolutely love this one, and if you are someone who regularly heat styles their hair or has color treated hair, this range is definitely meant for you. This range is enriched with bonding complex technology, which helps create millions of hair bonds and reverses hair damage inside out. I start off with the Bondplex Repair Shampoo, which has 4% bonding actives. I gently massage it to create some lather. Next, I use the TRESemmè Bondplex Conditioner, which has 6% bonding actives on the lengths of my hair. I let it sit for 2-3 minutes before washing it off. And once I'm out of the shower, I go in with the Bondplex oil on my damp hair before moving on with any sort of heat styling. This, by the way, is super lightweight and provides heat protection too. Overall, this range definitely occupies a top spot in my repurchase list. You can see how healthy and smooth my hair looks. I'll obviously leave down all the links in the description box so that you too can check it out. Next up, I have this hair massager that I got for 280 rupees from Amazon. I love this one. I have been using this for such a long time, and this is so helpful, and it's also really easy to use at the same time. You can use it on your dry hair just to massage your scalp and boost blood circulation, which ultimately leads to stronger and healthier hair. However, you can also use it on your wet hair. जब आप ऐसे shampoo कर रहे हो and you create a little bit of lather, you can use this to cleanse even better and to exfoliate even better. And this is truly like a hair care must have. I absolutely love this one, and जैसे कि मैं आपको बोल रही थी, ये काफ़ी easy to use भी है. I've been using this one for such a long time, and I would totally recommend it to all of you. Next up, I have got this really cute bow clip. This has to be one of my favorite hair accessories in the recent times. Abhi bows are such a big trend. It's literally everywhere, and I found this really cute one on Amazon, and I am definitely gonna repurchase this one in some other colors as well, because I think this can be a great accessory, a great addition to your outfits. And yeah, the quality is also really nice. It looks really cute as well, and it's pretty affordable at the same time. मैं सारे links description box में डाल दूँगी, so do check it out. I really love this one. Definitely gonna repurchase this one in some other colors. Moving on, I have these combo of claw clips that I absolutely love from Amazon. ये सारे designs कितने cute है, and I love how these are also really sturdy at the same time, and इनके designs भी काफ़ी अलग है. I love the colors as well, and these are just so cool. I love claw clips. Who doesn't? Claw clips are such a huge trend at the moment, and they are also really helpful at the same time, and you can get some really cool combos on Amazon. So yeah, do check it out. My favorite combo has to be this one at the moment. So yeah, that's all for today's video. That's all about certain Amazon hair care finds that I absolutely love and that I am definitely going to repurchase this year. I will leave down the links in the description box just like I told you all, so that you too can check them out. And in case if you liked watching this video, you know what to do. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other videos would you like to watch in the upcoming weeks. And yeah, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. My username will be somewhere out here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye.